Hello, Sudoku friends. Welcome back with the second puzzle. Second puzzle, a two-star Sudoku, not in today's newspaper of Thursday, April the 7th, 2022. No, because in today's newspaper we have no extra puzzles, no additional. No, it's the edition of yesterday. Yesterday, Wednesday, April the 6th, 2022. We have two puzzles left because the first I've solved a minute ago. We have a two-star Sudoku left and the tectonic with one star, but it's time now for the two stars Sudoku. This will be number 4375. 4375. All right. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has, let me count, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 26 printed digits. Correct for two stars puzzle. Always 26, and my time limit 15 to 20 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. So let's get started. I've here two numbers left in this column. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. The 6 and the 7 is missing. 5 and the 7, 5 and the 7. We have a 7 there, no 7 there. 7 should be here and a 5 goes there. Then 1 in this column, 1 in the second column. So the first column, the only two places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. Two missing numbers in this big square. For numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4. The 5 is missing and the 6 is missing. 5 and the 6, 5 and the 6. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here and the 6 goes there. Alright. Now. Let me see. Four missing numbers in this big square. Two of those missing numbers are the 5 and 8. We have a 5 and 8 in this column. So no 5 and 8 in these two boxes. The 5 and 8 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. Let me mark those two boxes. So the other pair in this big square are the numbers 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and the 8 and the 9 is missing. 3 and a 9, 3 and a 9. We have a 9 there, no 9 there. 9 should be here and a 3 goes there. Alright, so now we have two missing numbers in the second column. For numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. The 6 is missing. And the 7 is missing. 6 and the 7, 6 and the 7. We have a 7 there, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Alright. Then. Alright. Now I need to think. 9. We have a 1 in this row. 1 in the last row. So the row between, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 3 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing number is a 9. We see a 9 in this row. So no 9 in these two boxes. So 1 box left for the 9 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers 1, 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 3 and the 7, 3 and the 7. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 7 goes there. 2 numbers left in the last row. For numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 4 and the 7, 4 and the 7. We see there 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here and the 4 goes there. Alright. 9 in this column. 9 in that column. So the column between, the only 3 places left for the 9 should be here, here, or there. We see there 9, no 9 there. Here 9, no 9 there. The only place left for the 9 should be there. Alright. I cannot continue with the 9. So let me see. With all right. Two. Okay. 7. Hmm. Hmm. 7. All right. Then. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We see here 1 in this column, so no 1 in these 3 boxes. Here 1 in this third row, so no 1 in those 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 1 should be there. Now we have a pair, 1 and 2 in the first row, 1 and 2 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only 2 places left for the 1 and 2 goes in those 2 boxes. As a pair, 1 and 2, 1 and 2. We see here 1, a 1 there, 1 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Alright. 1, okay, 1, 2, 2. Okay. 9. 5 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We see here 9 in this column, so no 9 in these 3 boxes. So the 9 could be here, could be there. 9 in one of those 2 boxes in the third row, 9 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place left for the 9 should be there. And then, Okay. 3 in this column, last column, 3 in that column. So the column between, only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be here. Alright. 3, okay. Well. 7. Yes. 7. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We see here 7 in this row, so no 7 in these 3 boxes here. 7 in the last column, so no 7 in those 3 boxes. So the 7 could be here, could be there. 7 in the last column, 7 in one of those 2 boxes in that column, so the column between, only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. You see there 7, no 7 there, 7 should be here. Right. Then. Then, let me see. Come on. 8 in the first row, 8 in the second row. So the third row, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 4, 5. 5 and 6, yeah. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3. The 4 is missing, the 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 4, 5, 6, 4, 5, 6. And look, we have a 5 and a 6 in this column, so no 5 and a 6 in this box. The 5 and a 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 5 and a 6, 5 and a 6. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 5 and a 6. So 1 digit left in this big square for the number 4. Alright. 1 number left in this column for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, and 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. Alright. Now we have 8 there, so this box can be 8 and more. That box should be an 8, and this box should be a 5. Then. 8. 7. 1. I'm thinking. 3. How about 6 and a 5? Come on. 1, 2. A lot of empty spaces with 3 boxes. 1, 2, 3 is missing. 4, 5, 6 is missing. 3, 6, and 9. 3, 6, 9. 3, 6, 9. 3, 6, 9. These are 3 missing numbers in this row. The 2 is missing. 1, 2, 3. 2, 5, 8. 2, 5, 8. 2, 5, 8. Okay. 7, 7, 8, 8, 8. 2 and 1. 6 and 5. How about the 9? Okay. Yeah. I'm thinking. Need to mark some boxes. 5, 6, 6. Yeah. 6, 6. We have there also 6. Where's the opening? The opening? These 2 boxes should be the 3 and the 4. Yeah, let me mark those. 3 and a 4. Here also 3 and a 4. 6 and a 5. Where's the opening? 4, 4, 4, 4, 4. 4, 4, 4, 4. Ah, we have a pair. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 1 and the 4. 1 and a 4, we have a 1 and a 4 in this column. So no 1 and a 4 in these 3 boxes. We have a 1 and a 4 in the middle row. So no 1 and a 4 in these 2 boxes. So the 1 and a 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and a 4, 1 and a 4. So the other 2 boxes would be the 6 and a 5. 6 and a 5. We have a 6 there. No 6 there. 6 should be here. And the 5 goes there. 1 box left now in this big square for number 5. 1 box left in the first row for the number 6. Okay. 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column. So the column next down needs 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see there's 6, no 6, there's 6 should be here. Now we have 2 missing numbers, the 3 and the 9. 3 and the 9 in this row. 3, 6, 9. The 6 is already filled in, so the 3 and the 9 are left. 3 and the 9, we have a 9 there, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 2, 5, 8, 2, 5, 8, 2, 8. Yeah, could be everywhere. Need to wait. So these 3 missing numbers, 7, 2 is also missing, and 6 is missing. Yeah, 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row, so the row above. Don't need 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see there's 6, no 6 there. 6 should be there, and all the 6s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 6. Yeah, 9988. 3, 4, 1, 3. 3 and a 4. Well, now we have a 3 there, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 4. 3 missing numbers in this big square. 1 of the missing numbers is 3. We see here 3 in this row. So no 3, sorry, in this column. So no 3 in this box. So the 3 goes together with the 9 as a pair. 3 and a 9, 3 and a 9. We have a 9 now, so no 9 there. 9 should be here. And the 3 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 1, 2, 3, 4. The 5 is missing. Okay, 5, 5. So we have a pair now. 5 and a, wait, no, not, no. Need to wait. 5, 5. 8, 8. Yeah. I'm thinking. Two numbers left in this big square. For number 7 and a 2 are missing. 7 and 2. We have a 2 there. No 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 7 goes there. 7 in this row, 7 in that row. So the row between the middle row, only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there, 7 should be there. 2 in this row, 2 in the middle row, so the row above. The only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see there 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. Now we have 2 numbers left, the 1 and the 4, 1 and the 4. 1 and the 4, we have a 4 there, so no 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 1 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 1. 1 box left in this row for number 1. The 2, the 3 is missing. 3. No. Then 5. No. 2 missing numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing in this column. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and 8. It goes there. So now we have 2 missing numbers. The 5 and 8. I've marked this 2, 5, 8. Now we have a 2 there. 5 and 8 are missing. We have an 8 there, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3. 4 is missing, and the 5 is missing. 4 and the 5, 4 and the 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Finish in 60 minutes. Told you. Need 15 to 20 minutes to solve a 2 stars puzzle. And I like this one. I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And before I leave, I'm interested in the center boxes of the big squares. Maybe you can see a pattern. Maybe I can see a pattern. I'm collecting those data for more than 7 weeks. 6, 7, 2. 6, 7, 2. 169, 169, 169, 591, 591. We have a pair, the 1 and the 6, 2, 7, and the 9. Okay, 3 pairs. Great. The 9, the 1, and the 6. 3 pairs. All right. Thank you. And see you later with the last puzzle. 8 tectonic with 1 star it will be. Until then, bye-bye for now.